So here's a factory linkage. This is the end on it that goes into the rear of the car. I mean, that's my thumb. And it's just pinned in there. That's it. Here's the other end. This is the end that goes to the box. That goes on the shaft. It has the same thing just under this rubber cover. So that's what they use to dampen it. But you can hear it rattling. That ends up as the rattling that you feel in your shifter generally. It's trash. Even, I mean, this one came out of a car with, you know, who knows how many miles on it. But I mean, even from the factory, brand new, they still rattle.